What's going on, Schrute Stock Squad? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, do yourselves a favor, hit that subscribe button, come and join the Discord. Link is in the Patreon below, because we're building wealth out here. None of this is financial advice. Now let's get into the video. Alright fam, let's take a look at this portfolio. Look, today we're up 157,886.78, okay? Almost 160. Let's just say that. We're almost at 160. Now, that's on the 1 day. Let's take a step back at the 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and all time. I show this journey to $1 million open and transparent like nobody else in the game ever does, okay? Now, here's the thing, guys. This is just the beginning for us. This is just the beginning. And I'm going to take a step back here to the 3-month chart, guys. Look at this. We're in the green. You remember that entire correction, and what did I tell you? Step by step, we're going to get through this thing together. You just stay the course, and I'm so proud of every single person here who's been writing this course with us, because I've been reading all the comments. I've been hearing from you guys myself, and man, I'm so happy to see every person like making money here right now. And you know, quite honestly, guys, you know, I'm reading comments. You know, some of you guys are able to pay off for some of your vacations, your student loans, and guys, that just makes me so happy. It makes me incredibly happy. You have no idea, because I've been in some of those terrible positions where I couldn't afford that stuff, and you know, I've been led down the path where, you know, I sold here and I never bought back. You know, I sold here and I never bought back. That's why I made this channel, because I knew exactly what was going to happen, that we were going to have some sort of market correction, and and you're going to be filled with so much BS in the market. And you know what? Shout out if you guys have been riding this course with us, and if you haven't been, welcome to the family here, because we're about to grow this thing a lot further. And you know what? You're in the right place, okay? I showed this journey like nobody else, because I've been through this whole path myself, okay? I've been through this $1 million journey on my own with no help of anyone. And let me tell you something, I'm here to teach you all the lessons and all the bullshit that's out there, and so you don't need to go through all that garbage, okay? All right, anyways, let me just jump right into this. The main ticker symbol that we're going to be talking about is my baby right here. CTXR. Okay, guys. Whew. Look at this. Look at this chart. 14% in 1 day. Okay, 14% in 1 day. And you know, I'm gonna tell you, this is still, in my opinion, just the beginning for this stock. It is still just the beginning, because here's the thing. Here's what's happening, guys. This stock is still getting added to the Russell 2000 index. That's happening on the 25th. Okay, sorry, excuse me, guys. I just had some food, so digesting. But you know, that's happening over here on the 25th, okay, of June. It's going to be added into the Russell 2000 Sidious, and that happens after hours, okay? So when it comes into the market on that next week, we already can expect a big push into this thing. So right now, you know what these markets, what these big hedge funds and all that, what they're trying to do, guys? They're trying to get in on these stocks before they load up into the Russell 2000, because they know once it's in there, you know what's going to happen? The price goes up. So that's just one catalyst. That's one, and that in and of itself is a big one. The big thing that we still got going for us, guys, is the DMC review. That DMC results they're going to be sitting down on June 29th, okay? I've been saying this thing from the start. June 29th, mark that date on your calendar, because that's not the day we're going to hear anything. Guys, that is not the date that we hear anything, but that's the date that the DMC sits down to make a decision on what they want to do with this product, okay? So what we're going to see is that the week after, in like early July, like first week of July, we're going to hear, hey, they like the results, and they can stop the phase 3 trial. And if not, hey, you guys gotta have to continue with the trial. And if they say that they cannot halt the trial and they have to continue, expect this price to come down, okay? Expect this price to come down, and I'm gonna be here with you to show you all the stop loss strategies and everything that we do in between, okay, guys? I'm gonna try my best to keep up with daily uploads right now, because I know this stock is hot and everybody wants to be in on this thing, and you know, I'll try my best, okay? You guys know I still have my board exam coming up on June 30th, okay? So I gotta kind of balance both things right now. You know, studying that thing and you know, playing around with stocks and all that. But I'm trying my best for you guys, okay? I keep the Discord family updated all real time with everything. If you want to start building wealth, guys, if you're new to the market, anything like that, that's the place to go. That Discord family, I'm telling you, the amount of people we've helped restructure their portfolios and actually get started on the right path, it's insane. And I'm just so happy to see people actually building money and actually making wealth. Okay, here's the difference between wealth and being rich. Being rich, you get the money. Okay, being wealth, you sustain it for generations. Okay, generations. Okay, that means your kids, your grandkids, the great great grandkids, etc. Okay, being rich, you win a lottery. That's great, but do you notice why so many people who win the lottery, they end up bankrupt, guys? Because you don't know what to do with the money. You know how to spend it, but you don't know how to actually make it sustain. Okay, that's a huge difference, and this is why in Schrute stocks, I'm teaching you all of these lessons that I had to learn myself, and I don't want you guys to make the mistakes that I had to. Okay, all right, that's CTXR, AMC, MEIP, safe. Okay, this is the next one I want to throw into everyone's radar. Ticker symbol Sava. Guys, this stock here, okay, you don't need to, I don't want to say you need to rush into this, but understand what this company is, okay? I want everyone, if you're going to get in on any of these plays, I want you to research something, okay? I want you to tell me, okay, if you want to get on Sava, you tell me when is the catalyst. Okay, you tell me when's the catalyst. I'll tell you what this company is. I'll tell you it's an Alzheimer's. They're making an Alzheimer's drug. Okay, I'll give you that much. They're making an Alzheimer's drug, and they have a catalyst coming up. You tell me when's that catalyst and what it is. Okay, write it down in the comments below, and then let me know, because I want you guys to be learning along this pathway with me. Okay, I've shown you a few of these hot plays already, and I've shown you how we've gone through them together, and we've done that whole pathway. But I want you guys to take a little initiative now and do a little due diligence. Okay, that's one thing which I want to teach you guys. Okay, it's one thing I give you the plays. It's another thing I let you learn how to find them yourself. And hell, man, if you guys find any of them, let me know too. Okay, so anyways, that's Sava. Remember, okay, I'm going to say this. Alzheimer's drugs, we've seen how those play with the FDA. The FDA loves any of the neuro-related drugs, okay? Anything that's Parkinson's, what's that other one from last week? That was an ORPH. Oh, man. Niemann-Pick disease. That's another neurodegeneration disease. Alzheimer's. The FDA and the stock market seems to go crazy over these plays, and Sava is in that industry as well. So we could see another run up like we did with ANVS. If you guys remember with our last play on ANVS, we were one of the first people. We called this thing out like 2 days before it was gonna pop, and that thing ran up like 150%. Made a huge. That was actually the catalyst that got us. That really pushed this thing from this level all the way up. That was this jump right here from the 115 all the way to the 130. Okay, Sava has the potential to do it. Okay, depending on the results. Now it's not a guarantee. Okay, but you know what I'm saying. Leading up to the run up, you can expect what can happen. But I want you guys to tell me when is that run up. Okay, do a little research and comment down below if you want to get on that play. All right, that's Sava, Doge. Man, crypto has been dropping. You know what? Somebody in the comments, they made me, they told me that I don't listen to them. And, they told me to go in on Dogecoin. So I put in $100 in Doge. Well, I'm down 50% on my investment. So that's fine. I'm cool with that. I think Dogecoin will recover at some point, guys. But that's just to tell you, this is just to show you guys the volatility that can happen in crypto. Okay, so crypto, and especially Dogecoin, especially Dogecoin, because you see plays like Ethereum, they at least have some they have like intrinsic value with them. They have like some external purpose. Dogecoin is legitimately a meme coin. Okay, that was its purpose and why it was even founded. Okay, so but you see, we're seeing what's happening with AMC, GameStop, and all this. Just because it's a meme does not mean you cannot make money off of it. And I don't want you guys to not make money. So, but you gotta kind of play it smart. So when it comes to these sort of things, understand their momentum plays. And so if you've already, let's just say you bought in over here at 60 cents, okay? You are probably gonna have to hold on to this thing until the next run up. And I will tell you this, that Dogecoin will hit $1 at some point. It's going to happen at some point. This is a coin that I've seen. This is only a 5-year chart. I've seen this coin since the beginning. I've heard of this coin since like 2013 or 14 or something like that. It's not going anywhere. The Dogecoin is not going to go anywhere. I remember people wanted to sell this thing off so much back in this time. Okay, look at that to where it is now. All right, it's going to come up, but we don't know how. We have no idea how low this dip is going to go down to. We have no idea when the next catalyst is going to come. And the next catalyst, meaning, when is Elon Musk going to say anything? Really? When is he going to do anything about it? But you can see Dogecoin is actually not, it's getting traded now on Coinbase, which is huge, and Binance. The fact that it's on Coinbase is a very, very big deal, guys, because Coinbase, for the longest time, never put it on there. They never put Dogecoin on there, and the fact that they put this on their platform says volumes about its legitimacy. All right, so if you're holding on to the bag of Dogecoin like I am here, just you can average down if you wish. This is not a bad time if you wanted to average down, but understand, I can't tell you how low it's going to go, and quite honestly, nobody can really give you an accuracy, because you see, where's the support level here? Where's the support level? it just spiked up like this, so it's very hard to predict. But you see, once we do find some sort of steady level, here's what I'll say: once you can find some sort of steadiness in this thing, just like that, if you want to load in, then that's sometime when you can consider it, because you see, this whole consolidation phase that happens, that is the ticking time bomb. That is the ticking time bomb. But you can see this was also a ticking time bomb. See how long it was. That's fine, but just keep this in mind, guys. All right, fam. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I've been talking for a while. Anyways, guys, I always show you this stuff open and transparent as much as I can. If you want to take this investment journey to the next level, you know where to find us on the Discord. I'll have the link in the comment down below. So feel free to join us over there. All right. As usual, fam. Stay happy, stay healthy, and let's get wealthy. Take care.